Hey guys, it's Anita and today I'm going to Marseille. So it's 4:30 right now and I'm going to leave the house soon. So I'm going there by train. I love traveling by train. For this time I really had to get up super early, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to take you with me. Probably do separate videos for each day. I'm traveling with my friend Evelyn. I will meet her in Bern. I live close to Zurich, Switzerland, and the train we take is the same train I need to take, so I'll just stay in the train and she will join me there. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm really excited and yeah, so let's go.
7 hours later.
Alright, so we're in Marseille. Everything went okay. The trains were on time. It was great. And now we're in our hotel room. So I thought I would just give you a quick room tour before we go to the city and start to explore. Alright, so that's the door when you come in, and then here, do you know what that is? It's the kitchenette. Here's the fridge. So I'm acting like I've never seen a fridge before, but you know, it's really nice to have that, especially if you know, like to eat your breakfast in your room, and you know, we can make coffee, tea and stuff like that, so that's really nice. Then when you move on, you can see, okay, well, the trash can and our bed. But first, a little mirror. Yes, okay, so that's the actual bedroom. Here's my friend Evelyn, you know her? Hello. And yeah, there's a TV. Let me show you the view. So we can't take those blinds off, but yeah, I mean, it's interesting, I would say. Alright, so then let's go to the bathroom. Here we are. Not too bad. I like the color. Here's another mirror. Yeah. Alright, so we're at the Old Port, and I don't know if you can see me. This is really interesting. It's just really windy, but yeah, other than that, it's fine. We're at the Cathedrale of Marseille. It's really pretty. The Panier quarter is one of the oldest areas of Marseille. The colorful painted houses are charming and there's a historic atmosphere going on. Vieux-Port de Ville Charité, which used to be an almshouse and is now a museum. It's closed on Mondays, but it was still nice to get a glimpse of the architecture. So we're back, we went grocery shopping and we're really exhausted, but there's a gym in this hotel, so unfortunately I must have to work out. We'll see how that goes, but yeah, that's the plan. Alright, so we're back from the gym. It's actually just a room with one elliptical, one bike and one treadmill, so yeah, but it's still really cool that they have that in this building. But yeah, that I think was a really productive way to end this day. So yeah, I'm just going to take a shower and call it a night. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll vlog every day I'm here, so don't forget to watch my next video. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.